The spring season in South Asia's rainforests is a period marked by a remarkable resurgence of wildlife activity. The interplay of climatic conditions fosters a rich tapestry of life, influencing breeding patterns, foraging behaviors, and ecological interactions. As the forests awaken, they exemplify The spring season in South Asia's rainforests is a period marked by a remarkable resurgence of wildlife activity. The interplay of climatic conditions fosters a rich tapestry of life, influencing breeding patterns, foraging behaviors, and ecological interactions. As the forests awaken, they exemplify the resilience and interconnectedness of nature, emphasizing the importance of preserving these vital ecosystems for future generations. Active primarily during the crepuscular hours, this species exhibits a behaviorally adaptive strategy to avoid potential predators such as leopards and various large snakes. The lesser mouse deer employs a stealthy approach to foraging, remaining in cover during the day and emerging at dusk to feed on a diet predominantly composed of leaves, fruits, and fungi. Such nocturnal habits not only mitigate risks, but also align with their ecological role as herbivores, facilitating seed dispersal within their habitat. Socially, the lesser mouse deer is predominantly solitary, although occasional sightings of pair formations have been reported during mating seasons. Males demonstrate territorial behavior, marking their domains with scent secreted from specialized glands, thus ensuring reproductive success and resource availability. Communication between individuals is typically silent, relying on subtle body language and scent marking. The presence of the lesser mouse deer within the rainforest ecosystem is pivotal, as it contributes to the biological diversity essential for ecological balance. However, habitat loss due to deforestation and human encroachment poses significant threats to their population. Conservation efforts are imperative to ensure the survival of this species and maintain the intricate web of life within the rainforest. Spring in South Asia heralds the arrival of transformative environmental conditions that significantly impact wildlife behavior, reproductive cycles, and feeding patterns. For instance, many species utilize this seasonal shift to engage in breeding, taking advantage of the abundance of resources that increased rainfall brings. Birds, such as the vibrant Indian peafowl, Pavo cristatus, often engage in elaborate courtship displays, their iridescent plumage shimmering against the backdrop of blooming flowers. Similarly, mammals such as the Indian elephant, Elephas maximus, become more active as the increased availability of food sources, ranging from tender shoots to various fruits, invites herds to emerge from their secluded habitats to forage more widely. The reproductive strategies of amphibians, reptiles, and insects are notably influenced by spring's climatic changes as well. In the rainforests of South Asia, the onset of the monsoon season, often anticipated following the warm breezes of spring, triggers reproductive activities among amphibians, particularly frogs, which engage in choruses of mating calls to attract partners. The vibrant green tree frog, Polypodates leucomistax, exemplifies this phenomenon as males call out from low vegetation to establish territory and attract females. Similarly, a plethora of insects, including butterflies and beetles, experience a boom in population as they emerge from their dormant states or complete life cycle stages, cascading into the food webs that sustain both avian and terrestrial residents of the rainforest. The interconnectedness of flora and fauna becomes particularly evident during the spring months. As the flowering of various plant species provides essential food resources for pollinators. Species such as the Bengal tiger, Panthera tigris tigris, and the Indian bison, Bos gaurus, rely on the ever-evolving plant life for sustenance. The nutrient-rich young leaves and blooms not only support herbivorous fauna, but also indirectly favor carnivorous species as they become more active hunters, taking advantage of the movement of prey during this time. Moreover, the spring blooms attract an array of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and birds, which play a crucial role in the reproductive success of numerous plant species. Consequently, the intricacies of these interactions exemplify the interconnectedness that defines the biodiversity characteristic of South Asia's rainforests. However, amidst the beauty of spring's rejuvenation, the plight of wildlife in South Asia's rainforests cannot be overlooked. Increasing anthropogenic pressures, such as deforestation, illegal wildlife trade, and climate change, pose significant threats to these populations and their habitats. The encroachment of agriculture and urban development not only disrupts migratory paths, but also fragments habitats vital for shelter and breeding. Conservation initiatives, therefore, assume a critical role in safeguarding these invaluable ecosystems. Efforts led by various governmental and non-governmental organizations aim to create protected areas, promote sustainable land use practices, and raise awareness among local communities about the necessity of preserving wildlife and their habitats. The spring season in South Asia's rainforests represents a vital period marked by renewal, reproduction, and abundant life. The flora and fauna of these ecosystems exhibit remarkable adaptations to the changing climate, reflecting the resilience and interconnectedness inherent in these tropical habitats. However, the survival of wildlife within these rainforests hangs in balance, increasingly threatened by human activities. As stewards of the environment, it becomes imperative to prioritize conservation efforts, ensuring that the diverse tapestry of life that flourishes in South Asia's rainforests can continue to thrive for generations to come. The beauty and complexity of this unique ecosystem deserve sustained effort and commitment, allowing us to revel in its majesty and its irreplaceable role in our planet's ecological health. In the serene hours of the morning, the oriental pied hornbills exhibit a captivating spectacle as they perch upon the leafy branches of trees, indulging in a diet primarily composed of delectable fruits. These birds, with their striking black and white plumage and characteristic long curved bills, are not only a visual delight, but also play a crucial role in their ecosystem as seed dispersers. As dawn breaks, the hornbills engage in a feeding frenzy, their sharp beaks deftly plucking ripe fruits from branches. This ritual, marked by a symphony of vibrant colors and melodious calls, underscores the importance of biodiversity in their habitat. The consumption of fruits not only sustains the hornbills, but also aids in the propagation of various plant species. Thereby enhancing forest health. However, the beauty of this morning tableau is tempered by the constant threat posed by hunters. These majestic birds, while attracting admiration, are vulnerable to poaching and habitat destruction. The vigilance of the oriental pied hornbills is paramount. They must remain cautious and aware of their surroundings to evade potential danger. This precarious balancing act between feeding and self-preservation highlights the challenges faced by wildlife in their natural habitats. The morning rituals of the oriental pied hornbills serve as a reminder of the delicate interplay between nature and human activities. Their graceful presence and ecological significance warrant protection, underscoring the urgency to conserve their habitats and mitigate threats from hunters. By fostering appreciation for these remarkable birds, we can contribute to their survival and the preservation of the rich biodiversity they represent. The black giant squirrel, a remarkable inhabitant of the lush forests and urban areas of Southeast Asia, presents a striking figure with its glossy coat and impressive stature. As the evening unfolds, this agile creature embarks on a quest for sustenance, displaying a penchant for fruits that reflects its adaptive foraging behavior. Observing these squirrels during twilight offers a glimpse into their intricate relationship with the ecosystem, as well as the sheer delight they derive from their dietary choices. In their natural habitat, black giant squirrels exhibit a particular fondness for a variety of fruits, including figs and berries. Their keen sense of taste is evident as they select ripe specimens, often opting for those that display optimal flavor and texture. The act of feeding is not merely a necessity, it is also an enchanting spectacle. The squirrels deftly maneuver through branches, showcasing their remarkable agility, while engaging with the fruits that dangle tantalizingly within reach. As dusk settles, the soft glow of the evening light enhances the vibrant colors of the fruits, creating a picturesque scene. The sight of a black giant squirrel savoring its meal is a reminder of the interconnectedness of life within the forest. These creatures play a crucial role in seed dispersal, contributing to the regeneration of their environment while indulging in nature's offerings. The evening's tranquility is punctuated by the soft rustle of leaves and the occasional chirp of nearby fauna, providing a serene backdrop to the squirrel's culinary endeavors. The black giant squirrel, as it enjoys its fruit during the evening, epitomizes the harmony of nature. Its actions serve as a reminder of the joy found in simple pleasures and the vital role of wildlife in maintaining ecological balance. Through appreciating such moments, we deepen our understanding of the natural world and the myriad ways in which it enriches our lives. In the dense underbrush, the Celebi's crested macaques engage in foraging activities that highlight their playful disposition. This species primarily feeds on fruits, seeds, leaves, and small invertebrates, showcasing a diverse diet that reflects the rich biodiversity of their environment. As they sift through foliage and leap between branches, their interactions illustrate not only individual foraging techniques, but also the cooperative strategies they employ within their social groups. The joyous calls and playful antics of these macaques encapsulate the essence of their daily life, where the search for sustenance transforms into a communal activity that strengthens social bonds. The Celebi's crested macaques exemplify the symbiotic relationship between species and their environment. Their enthusiastic foraging behavior amidst the verdant backdrop of the rainforest not only sustains them, but also enriches their social dynamics. As they navigate the challenges of their habitat with joy, these macaques remind us of the inherent connection between happiness and survival in the natural world. Through their lively pursuits, they underscore the importance of preserving such ecosystems to ensure that both the primates and their environments thrive in harmony. The Celebi's crested macaque, endemic to the lush rainforests of Sulawesi, Indonesia, presents a compelling study of resilience and adaptability in a vibrant ecosystem. These social primates are characterized by their distinctive black fur, expressive faces, and notably, their lively and sociable nature. Observing them as they foray through their habitat in search of food reveals insights into their joyful behavior and the intricate balance of life within the rainforest. The lush, humid rainforest serves